What happens to the centre of gravity when a load is raised? As usual, we will keep an eye on the combined centre of gravity. First of all, you can see that the combined centre of gravity moves upwards. Does this affect the risk of tipping over?
Consider the mast on a sailing boat. What happens if weight is placed high up on the mast? In the same way, when a load is held high up on the lift truck's mast, the risk of overturning increases. Because there is an increase in risk, there is a decrease in margin for error.
Tilting the load forwards now, for example, would result in the combined centre of gravity moving further forwards. And as you know, if the centre of gravity moves too far forwards, the lift truck will tip forwards.